Topics covered in this video include a demonstration on how to debrief a task for a field repair service request. Begin the debrief process by adding the debrief header information. From the home screen, tap on the task that you want to debrief. After the task details screen appears, tap on Debrief. From the debrief screen, open the debrief header by tapping on Open Debrief Header link. Select the problem code for the issue by tapping on Select Problem Code dropdown. Next, select the resolution code by tapping on Select Resolution Code dropdown. Enter the resolution summary in the resolution summary text box. For field repair service request tasks, always include a resolution summary. Record the total downtime in the total downtime text box. Enter downtime as hours rounded to the nearest tenth of an hour. For example, 1 hour and 15 minutes is entered as 1.3 hours. Tap the Save button. After receiving a confirmation that the changes have been saved, collapse the debrief header by tapping on the Collapse Debrief Header link. Next, the labor for the task is entered. To start, tap Labor. Add a labor line by tapping Add Labor Line. The labor details screen displays the default business process, activity code, and the start and end dates, which can be changed. Do not change the business process. Use default field service. Select the appropriate activity code. If there is travel, use the field travel activity code. Enter the start and end date and times for the travel. The times must be entered in 24-hour time format. Do not enter a value in the duration field. Make sure unit of measure is set to hour. Tap Save. Verify that a confirmation message is displayed indicating the line has been successfully saved. Tap on the Added Labor line to collapse the view. Add a second labor line to report the time on site by tapping Add Labor Line. Do not change the business process. Use the default field service. Verify or change the activity code to field labor. Enter the start and end date and times for the labor. Do not enter a value in the duration field. Make sure unit of measure is set to hour. Tap Save. Verify that a confirmation message is displayed indicating the line has been successfully saved. Tap on the Added Labor line to collapse the view. Reporting parts usage. From the debrief screen, tap Install. Tap the item number text box. A list of the items previously reported will be displayed. Tap an item number from the displayed list or enter the item number if it is not in the list and tap the magnifying glass icon to search for the entered item number. If the item number search is successful, the item number and description will be displayed below the text box. Tap the search result to select the item number. If the item number being reported is serialized, enter the serial number being installed. Tap Used. Technicians can report usage from any sub-inventory they have access to in Oracle. Tap the Sub-Inventory drop-down to display a list of available sub-inventories and select the appropriate sub-inventory. Enter the correct quantity if other than 1. Tap Save. Return tab. Do not create lines on the Return tab. All return lines should be created automatically by Oracle when you create an install line for a repairable or returnable part. Expense tab. Field repair service requests normally do not have expense items to add to the debrief. After completing the debrief process, the task can be closed.